Tired of working 60-hour weeks and still not getting ahead? Now, there's a smarter way. If you're ready to escape the grind and start building real wealth, keep watching. You're working hard, long hours, countless tasks, but it still feels like you're stuck. Now, the hustle isn't paying off the way you imagine. So what's missing? Now, here's the secret. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. The key isn't in doing more, it's owning businesses that generate profit without constant effort. Now, the most successful entrepreneurs aren't spending every waking hour grinding. They're acquiring profitable businesses and scaling them. That's where Hijacking.com comes in. We help you acquire high potential e-commerce brands and scale them without you doing the work. Here's how. We identify profitable undervalued e-commerce businesses. We acquire them below market value, putting you in profit from day one. We take care of everything: branding, marketing, operations, logistics. We scale these businesses to 6 and 7 figures for you. And when the time's right, we sell for a high ticket return. Now, this isn't about grinding away. It's about owning assets that work for you. If you're ready to stop the grind and build real wealth with zero effort, click the link below and grab your free guide now. Discover how to acquire, scale, and exit profitable e-commerce brands without the endless hours. Click the link now.